ऐनक पहने लाठी पकड़े चलते थे वो शान से, जालिम कांपे थर 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 सुनकर उनका नाम रे। हो कद था उनका छोटा सा और सरपट उनकी चाल रे, दुबले से पतले से थे वो चलते सीना तान के। वंदे मातरम, 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 वंदे मातरम।
Happy Gandhi Jayanti. It's a day of celebrations, a day to value a special person, a person who is the cause of our nation, who taught the world the lesson of nonviolence, a day for Mahatma Gandhi, the father of our nation.
Good morning, one and all. I, Simran Devjani, along with Shreya Shekhar, have been blessed with the honor of conducting the celebration of this auspicious day.
Prayer is not a spare wheel that you pull out when in trouble, but it is a steering wheel that directs the right path. Let us begin the day with Gandhiji's favorite devotional song sung by our classmate Abida Parikh and seek God's blessings.
रघुपति राघव राजा राम, पतित पावन सीताराम। रघुपति राघव राजा राम, पतित पावन सीताराम। ईश्वर अल्लाह तेरो नाम, सबको सन्मति दे भगवान। ईश्वर अल्लाह तेरो नाम, सबको सन्मति दे भगवान। रघुपति राघव राजा राम, पतित पावन सीताराम। रघुपति राघव राजा राम, पतित पावन सीताराम।
Thank you, Abida.
Mahatma Gandhi once said, and I quote, "Be the change you wish to see in the world." This lesson can be learned by observing his life and deeds too, how he changed the fate of our country, starting with himself.
Coming up next are our classmates Radhika, Agranshi, Abida, Rhythm, Ayush, and Navya to trace the highlights of the movement led by Gandhiji that gave us our freedom.
Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated every year on 2nd October all over the country. This day is celebrated to commemorate the birth anniversary of father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, whom we also call as Mahatma Gandhi or Bapu, was born on 2nd October 1869. Mahatma Gandhi was born in a small town of Porbandar in Gujarat, but he performed great deeds throughout his life. He studied law in UK and practiced law in South Africa. 2nd October is also celebrated as International Day of Nonviolence, as Gandhi was the preacher of nonviolence. On 9 January 1915, Mahatma Gandhi returned back to India from South Africa at the age of approx 46. In 1906, Mahatma Gandhi started a satyagraha in South Africa against the compulsory registration and passes for Indians. In 1910, he announced satyagraha against immigration and restrictions in South Africa.
Champaran Satyagraha of 1917 was the first satyagraha movement led by Gandhiji in India and is considered a historically important revolt in the Indian independence movement. It was a farmers' uprising that took place in Champaran district of Bihar. Here, Mahatma Gandhi adopted the approach of civil disobedience movement and launched demonstrations and strikes against the landlords. As a result, the government set up a Champaran Agrarian Committee, of which Gandhiji was also one of the members. All the demands of the cultivators were accepted and Satyagraha was successful. The second major revolt in the Indian independence movement started by Gandhiji was the Kheda Satyagraha of 1918. Farmers here faced a terrible famine after the British conducted a land survey and compelled the peasant to pay land revenue. They therefore started a non-tax movement in Kheda district against the British government.
Khilafat Movement 1919. Khilafat movement was started by the Ali brothers to show the protest against unjust done with the Turkey after the First World War. Under the guidance of Mahatma Gandhi, the movement was launched against the British government to restore the collapsing status of the Caliph in Turkey. The success of the Khilafat movement made him the national leader. Non-cooperation movement 1920. Non-cooperation movement was launched in 1920 by Mahatma Gandhi due to the Jallianwala Bagh massacre. Gandhiji convinced people for starting non-cooperation movement in a peaceful way, which is key factor to attain independence. He framed the concept of Swaraj and it became a crucial element in the Indian freedom struggle. Due to Chauri Chaura incident, Mahatma Gandhi ended the movement because in this incident 23 police officials were killed.
Civil Disobedience Movement 1930. Mahatma Gandhi in March 1930 addressed the nation in his newspaper Young India and expressed his willingness to suspend the movement if his 11 demands get accepted by the government. But the government at that time was of Lord Irwin, and he did not respond back to him. As a result, Mahatma Gandhi initiated the movement with full vigor. He started the movement with Dandi March from 12th of March to 6th of April 1930. Mahatma Gandhi, along with his followers, marched from Sabarmati Ashram to Dandi in Nasauri district, Ahmedabad on the sea coast, and broke the salt law by making salt on 6th of April 1930. Mahatma Gandhi was arrested on the 5th of May, but the Satyagraha continued without him. Under this movement, students left colleges, government servants resigned from the office, people boycotted and burned foreign clothes communally and did not pay taxes to the government. In November 1930, Irwin's government called for a round-table conference in London, and Indian National Congress refused to take part in it. Mahatma Gandhi was released in January 1931. To make sure that Congress participates in the future conferences, he signed the Gandhi-Irwin Pact. It focused on the release of all political prisoners and cancellation of the oppressive laws.
Mahatma Gandhi launched the Quit India movement on 8th of August 1942 during the Second World War to drive the British rule out of India. It was this movement when he gave the do or die speech. As a result, the entire Indian National Congress was arrested by the British officials and was imprisoned without trial. But the protest continued across the nation. By the end of World War II, British government cleared that they will hand over the powers back to India. Mahatma Gandhi called off the movement and thousands of prisoners were released.
Even today, there are communities and minority groups who are underprivileged and unequal in terms of society and finance, who struggle every day due to their identity. But that doesn't mean it has to stay this way. That doesn't mean they deserve this. It is our collective responsibility to learn from the Gandhian principles and try our level best to empower them. It is our duty towards the country and the world to help others, to convey disagreement only through nonviolence, to advocate for equal education and opportunities for all as Gandhiji wanted, and to keep striving towards making our world more peaceful, equal, and beautiful. Let's be the change we wish to see in the world.
Thank you, friends.
Next up is beautiful poem by Dakshita and Palak with illustration by Shreya.
सच्चाई का लेकर शस्त्र और अहिंसा का ले अस्त्र, आपने अपना देश बचाया, अंग्रेजों को था दूर भगाया, दुश्मन से प्यार किया, मानव पर उपकार किया।
Thank you, friends.
गांधी करते आपको नमन, आपको चढ़ाते प्रेम सुमन।
खादी मेरी शान है, कर्म ही मेरी पूजा है, सच्चा मेरा कर्म है और हिंदुस्तान मेरी जान है। सत्य अहिंसा का था वो पुजारी, कभी न जिसने हिम्मत हारी, सांस दी हमें आज़ादी की, जन जन है जिसका बलिहारी।
Thank you, Dakshita, Palak, and Shreya.
Let us conclude our celebrations on a melodious note with a beautiful song sung by our classmate Navya Asopa.
दे दी हमें आज़ादी बिना खड़ग बिना ढाल, साबरमती के संत तूने कर दिया कमाल। दे दी हमें आज़ादी बिना खड़ग बिना ढाल, साबरमती के संत तूने कर दिया कमाल। आंधी में भी जलती रही गांधी तेरी मिसाल, साबरमती के संत तूने कर दिया कमाल। धरती पे लड़ी तूने अजब ढब की लड़ाई, दागी न कहीं तोप न बंदूक चलाई, दुश्मन के किले पर भी न की तूने चढ़ाई, वारे फकीर खूब करामात दिखाई। चुटकी में दुश्मनों को किया देश से निकाल, साबरमती के संत तूने कर दिया कमाल।